Looking for a headset that adapts to your busy lifestyle? This model offers flexible connectivity options with both USB and 3.5mm jack plugs, making it a versatile choice for work and personal use. Whether you're on your laptop or phone, it's ready to connect quickly and effortlessly. Managing calls becomes a breeze thanks to the integrated call control unit. You can make, take, or mute calls without fumbling through settings or reaching for your device. This streamlined control keeps you focused and productive, whether you're in a meeting or catching up with friends. Setting up your headset is as simple as plug and play. No complicated installations or software downloads are required. Just connect it to your device and start talking. This ease of use saves time and reduces frustration, especially when switching between devices. Comfort matters when you wear a headset all day. That's why this model features leather feel ear cushions paired with an around-the-ear design. The soft cushioning and secure fit mean you can stay comfortable during long calls or extended listening sessions without fatigue. Certified for Skype for Business, this headset integrates smoothly with unified communications platforms. It's designed for professional environments where clear audio and quick setup are essential. This certification guarantees compatibility and reliable performance right out of the box. Users across the United States have shared glowing reviews. Many highlight the headset's versatility, especially its ability to connect seamlessly to both laptops and smartphones. One user praised how the headset's sound quality makes their voice come through crystal clear on calls. A standout feature is the ability to use the headset with an iPhone 12, thanks to a simple adapter. This flexibility means you don't need multiple devices or complicated setups to switch between work calls and personal conversations. Just plug in and go. One customer shared their experience using the Ugreen headphones adapter for Apple MFI certified iPhone Lightning to 3.5mm jack converter. This combination worked flawlessly, allowing them to talk on their iPhone with noticeably clearer audio than usual. The headset's detachable design adds another layer of convenience. You can unplug it from the volume base and connect it to different devices without hassle. This adaptability makes it ideal for anyone who juggles multiple gadgets throughout the day. Beyond technical features, the headset's build quality stands out. The materials feel premium, and the leather-like cushions give a touch of luxury without sacrificing durability. This means your headset will look and feel great even after extended use. If you're someone who values clear communication and comfort, this headset delivers both in spades. It's perfect for remote workers, frequent callers, or anyone who needs a reliable audio solution that won't weigh them down or complicate their setup. Considering the headset's ease of use, flexible connectivity, and professional-grade certification, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about sound quality. You get reliable call control, comfort, and compatibility without the usual tech headaches. Midway through your search for the right headset, this one is worth a closer look. Its proven track record and positive user feedback show it's built to perform consistently. If that's you, it's time to upgrade your communication setup. The headset's design doesn't just focus on function, it also considers style. The sleek, modern look fits well in any office or home environment. You can wear it confidently during video calls or simply enjoy music without looking bulky or outdated. For those who spend hours on calls or in meetings, the all-day comfort really makes a difference. The soft ear cushions reduce pressure, and the around-the-ear fit keeps the headset stable without feeling tight or restrictive. Plug-and-play functionality combined with Skype for Business certification means you're ready to go from the moment you unbox. No waiting, no troubleshooting, just reliable, professional-grade audio that supports your daily tasks. If you often switch between devices, this headset's dual connectivity options save you from buying multiple headsets or adapters. It streamlines your workflow and keeps your workspace clutter-free, which matters when you want to stay focused. The positive reviews from real users back up the claims. People appreciate how clearly they're heard on calls, which boosts confidence and professionalism. Clear audio reduces misunderstandings and helps conversations flow naturally. Thinking about backup? One user loved the headset so much they're considering buying a second one to keep on hand. That's a strong vote of confidence in its durability and performance, especially for those who rely on consistent audio quality every day. If you want a headset that combines comfort, clarity, and easy connectivity, this model checks all the boxes. It's a practical choice for anyone who values hassle-free setup and dependable call management in one sleek package. Ready to enhance your communication experience? Give this headset a try when you're ready. Its thoughtful design and proven functionality could be exactly what you need to stay connected and comfortable throughout your day.